It's true. For the past 2 years, they've been dragging me. I'm still here. Nothing they happen. Now we're here. Doing very well. Better than many of them, if not all of them who are dragging you. Most of the Nollywood people who are against me for something we no concern them.
Are there Nollywood people who are?
A lot of them. You know, they're actually doing it like, we stand with this person. But the truth is, believe me, it's envy. That's the truth. It's envy. Look at all of them. If you bring out all of them, both the men and women, line them up. First of all, I'm finer than all of them to start with. I'm doing better. I'm doing better than all of them. There are some of them who have earned 150,000 per movie for the past 10 years. They know they don't grow. That's crazy. You know, so for them it's envy. Yes. You understand? This is a time to this guy waiting, don't they pin me?
Finally, something to drag you on.
Thank you. And then do you understand? Now they found something and they feel like matter will not concern them. You don't know how the matter takes start. You don't know anything because
that's the problem of this online lost people.
But I'm also thinking, like the fact that you've been in the news and people are dragging and everything. Yeah. Wouldn't you think it's a good time for you to actually sell yourself more in terms of your career? Like probably have all these producers and directors use you more at a time as this. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Do you think it's something that can push?
Of course. It depends on what you want to do. I'm doing a lot of things. It depends on what you want to push. I've done film for 18 years. I can't do film all my life. Really... Now I'm doing my real estate business. I'm doing politics. I'm doing well for myself. I'm very happy and very comfortable.
So you're done with acting?
No, I can't be done. Oh, okay. I love acting. I have a lot of fans who every day they're like, please come back. You know, I'm happy. I earn good money. I'm good. It depends on what you want to push. So what I want to push, I push it every day. I know they see you drag. In fact, I want people to be dragging me. Drag now. Are they tired? What's happening with them?
People have. So at this point, I think you are I don't know how to put it, but I think you are the one person I've met in my full life that just enjoys dragging so much. Like you're priding inside it.
I love it.
You say it every time. It's like, wow.
I love it. I love the fact that people, it's a blessing. Believe me. It's a blessing that people even leave their matter to talk about you. People leave all the things where they worry them for their head to make you their problem. When your matter not actually concern them. You should be praising God every day. Believe me. You should be thanking God. I told you, I don't read all those things. Comments, I don't read all those things. I don't have time for that. I give them talk and then I move away. But jealousy is something that people really, it's really killing a lot of people. This one and the one where we hear. Now imagine a lot of things that we don't get to hear because of that putting out too much content on social media. You know, putting out every time one person wants to show that I have money, you're posting this, you know.
But then how do you now regulate it? Because as a star or as a celebrity, your life is actually supposed to be out there. If you want to continue trending, if you want to continue having fans, because the fans need your business in their business for you to always trend and all that.
They don't need everything.
But exactly, there are some.
No, they don't need everything.
For example, Jackie Silva and her husband. You don't see them trend.
Those ones are veterans. Those ones they became stars even before social media.
Yes, but still, see, people can actually have a choice too. I can decide to post only work and business on my page. I'm not posting anything personal. And actually, at the end of the day, people see what you give to them.
Yeah.
Whatever you post on your page, you want it to be dragged. You want it to be talked about.
Yeah.
But the more you post those things, the more you get followers, the more you have people talking. And that's what people want.
It depends on
what you post, actually.
But that's what celebrities want. They want to always be in the news. So they go ahead of themselves. They go ahead of other celebrities to post. It's like a competition.
But people will still find your relevance even if you post other things that are not supposed to be so dramatic or insulting to anyone. It's true.
It's not even about being dramatic. Being dramatic is nice. It's good. I recommend everybody to do your thing. But what I'm saying is we're talking about jealousy now. You know, I'm talking about revealing too much of your business or your progress. Do you understand? Because people can't fight what they know nothing about.
Actually.
I don't know whether you understand. Sitting down here, you don't know whether I have 20 plots of land. You don't know whether I have 10 houses in Abuja. But the moment I go and put pictures of, I just bought these 4 houses for 500 million each, one person go there calculate, and that means this guy has up to 2 billion. Beef don't start.